Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you the solution to georeferencing tool not active in ArcGIS Pro. If you are trying to georeference a map in ArcGIS Pro and the georeferencing tool is not active, let me show you the problem. I'll also show you the solution. So in ArcGIS Pro, I have this map which I want to georeference. And to georeference map, generally, you come to Imagery, and here is georeferencing tool. But if you look at it, it's not active. And once it is not active, you will not be able to use the tool. Now, here is the reason. The georeferencing tool is not active because you have not selected a particular layer or the raster layer you are working on. For example, I'm working on this Ilorin area geology, which is a JPEG map that I want to georeference. Now I'm selecting only map, not the layer. As a result of that, the georeferencing tool is inactive. So to make it active, for me to be able to use it to georeference this map, I will need to click on the raster map that I want to georeference. So once I click on it, you can see that georeferencing tool has become active. So from here, I will be able to georeference the map. So once I click on it, you can see all other tools under georeferencing, like add ground control points to use it to georeference this map. Now the reason for the georeferencing tool not being active is because if you don't select the map you want to georeference, then the georeferencing tool will be inactive. Until you select it, it will not be active. So this is the cause and this is the solution. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.